This is the 7-inch Fender light on my 2005 Champion Sidecar. It'll work on a lot of different sidecars. As you can see, it has a radius to go across the fender, bolt right down on the fender. It's just a single filament. I just put this new one on because my one that was 16 years old was getting a little funky looking, you know, the chrome, but a really nice looking light. This is how they bolt on with just 2 bolts here. So they go up through the fender. I got the wires. I'm gonna finish siliconing these wires out of the way. You know, you got to keep some slack in the wires, because when you go to replace the bulb, you have to lift it off the fender, lift the whole damn assembly off the fender, and so you need some slack in the wires. And so this will give me some slack to lift it up. But I also put a little extra wires in the back of the light. You know, put a little loop in the back. Right here, you can see there's room to curl some wires up in the back of this. You know, so you can still lift it off a little bit. You know, and try to get your fingers up in there. But I've had to do that a couple times. It ain't no picnic, and you got to have the shock adjusted up, like on the 3rd notch, so the wheel doesn't go up in the fender and rip off these wires here. As you can see, it happened twice to me when I had it on the shock adjusted on a single notch, on the very bottom notch, you know, bottom adjustment. And so once I cranked it up to the 3rd notch, it's never ripped out the wires yet. So that's really good, because monkeying with this thing ain't no picnic. So, but that's a nice light, and it'll fit on anything, you know, with a nice radius fender, and like a Cozy or a Velorex or a Hitchhiker. But this is stock on Champion, Legend, and many other sidecars they use it on. Also, they have some smaller lights that are about 5 inches that also look nice. You know, it's kind of the same design, but they have a fin on them that lights up. Anyhow, that's how you replace them. Just those 2 screws and 2 wires. Silicone them out of the way. You don't want them hanging down in that wheel, and that silicone will hang. Keep them out of the way. And it's very easy. You just pry something in there to hold the wires off the side while you put some silicone on them. I gotta finish this now, but it's that easy.